Today's box is from HelloFresh, and this is my first box that I've ever received from this subscription online meal service. So I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna see how they pack everything, where it comes from, and check out what meals I got. Coupon codes. Oh, okay, so coupon codes for their companies. That's interesting. So they must have partnered up with other companies. FabFitFun, it looks like, and a shampoo company. And looks like, oh, awesome, a 50% off, oh, your first wine box. So I believe they have a pairings if you're interested in wines with your meals. So this is a coupon code if you're interested in that type of stuff. This is a new for me. This looks like a cotton or fabric-based insulation. So this is very different than anything I've ever seen. And, oh, how cute. So these meals are packed in brown bags. So this one says the Korean beef bibimbap. I'm sorry if I'm slaughtering that, but that's what this is, Korean beef. This is the cherry balsamic chicken. And this is the pork chops with scallion and chimichurri sauce bag. And it looks like the meat is packaged separately. So they have separators and non-toxic recycle me, it says, ice packs. You want to pop open one of these? I think because we've had chicken a lot this week, I might do the pork chops tonight. We'll try that. So I just want to open it up and quickly see what comes inside these bags. Oh, super cute. Okay. So paper bag. Let's see if I can get everything out of the way so you can kind of see what's going on here. It has individually packaged a scallion pack, so I'm assuming if it was a meal for two, it would only have one of each of these, but because I got the meal for 4 people, they just double everything. So pre-packaged. This is the jasmine rice, so obviously a double pack. 2 tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. Oh, instead of a head of garlic, they actually gave me, I don't know if you can see these, individual pieces of garlic that are already pre-cleaned and wrapped. That's very interesting. And limes. Organic black beans in a package. So of course double of that. And then packets of sour cream. Spice blends. And lastly, this is the chicken. So I'm assuming this is maybe like a chicken base or a bouillon, and it's kind of squishy. Okay, so this one was the meal for today. I'm going to be making the pork chops with scallion and chimichurri, and that's what I'm going to fast forward through as we prep our meal. And I'm going to put the rest away for later in the week, and then I will also do a quick run through of my meal prep for these 2 meals and add it to the end of this video. Pork chops with scallion chimichurri tonight. So I went ahead and served it individually so that I could get everybody on the table quickly. Looks pretty good to us. Okay, this is dinner number 2 with HelloFresh. This is the Korean beef bibimbap. And it's gonna be served over steamed rice. We are on night number 3 of the HelloFresh dinners this week. Tonight is a Friday night. It has been an insane week, and we still had other things we could have done tonight, but we chose to stay home, relax a little bit, and I specifically saved one of these dinners behind for Friday night so that we could just have dinner and enjoy ourselves, and then we're gonna treat ourselves a little bit. We also have a local company called Crave Cookie Company, so I'm gonna surprise my family, and I ordered some cookies to be delivered to our doorstep this evening, hot and fresh right out of the oven, but that's a side note. Tonight for dinner though, we're going to do the last dinner of the week, which is cherry balsamic chicken. And I've already got vegetables roasting and my Israeli couscous is cooking right now. So the next thing that I have to do is finish up the sauce and cook my chicken. And then we'll serve it all up together and I'll show you what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this dish now, but just be forewarned, I cheated a tiny bit. The dish actually only came with the chicken, carrots, and the couscous, but I had a bunch of fresh broccoli and I love something green on our plates every night. So I went ahead and added that to the carrots when I was roasting them, and it actually just beefed up the meal a little bit more. I did enjoy the ability to add and kind of customize my meal based on some extras that I had in the fridge. So that's something to keep in mind as well in the future. And with this dish, I'll probably be able to squeeze 5 or 6 portions out of it because I did that. So here we go. I'm gonna try to get it close up without knocking things off onto the floor. So here is our balsamic chicken, our roasted carrots, our broccoli, and our Israeli couscous. And then it has the cherry balsamic dressing drizzled over the top of the thing. And I just went ahead and served it this way so that my family could pick and choose and get more or less of whichever serving that they decide that they like best. So from the little bit of taste testing I've tried, this is really actually a good meal. I'm excited to see what my family has to say, and I'm also very excited to have my cookies delivered in a few minutes. So we'll come back in just a little bit and let you know how everything was. Overall, tonight was a big success, and it was by far our favorite meal from HelloFresh. I plan on keeping that recipe definitely and trying it again. And I think we're going to continue with HelloFresh for the near future as well. I might go back and forth between that one and another. And I'm so excited to say that I reached out to HelloFresh and they did give me a discount code. So I'm going to link that below, and I'm also going to put it in the description box. So if you want to try it yourself, make sure you hit that link and get the discount that they offered. And the other highlight of the evening was, like I said, it's been a super busy week for our family. I wanted to surprise them with something a little bit special, but I didn't want to take them out for a dessert. So we tried Crave Cookie Company tonight. Now, Crave is only local to the Fresno and Clovis area right now. It is genius though. They make huge fresh baked cookies and they deliver them to your doorstep. So they are average about $3 per cookie, and they come in boxes of 4. So for our finishing touch after our HelloFresh dinner, we each get this kind of a cookie for dessert. Super excited. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna enjoy my cookie, and I'm just gonna have a nice relaxing night. So thank you so much to HelloFresh and to Crave for delivering these. Have a great night. See you soon.